Hello, and welcome to Diana's Makerspace on this June 9th, 2025. I'd like to show you a continuation of the KZ80 project revision 3. Finally have it fully assembled and planning to write the assembly code for it. So let's switch over and let me show you what it looks like. Now this is the fully assembled KZ80 revision 3. You can see what I did was I put it next to a tweezer so you can sort of get an idea of how big it is, and also next to a mat. Now it's interesting. This is actually going to be the special port register, where basically these upper two bits are going to control the bank switching for. And what happens, these upper two bits will be saved for basically the bank switching for bits for address 16 and 17 with a special circuit that the upper 8K E00 through F00 shared. So 0, E00, 1, E00, 2, E00, 3, 00 is all shared. So there's 56K of bank switch memory. And these are the four lights I'm going to have it do assembly. Turns one light on, turns this off, then turns this one, turns this off, then turns that off, then flashes these things 3 times, and then starts again. I'm going to write a little Z80 assembly code. Now this is a 273 latch that's used as a special latch memory. For many people that are familiar using a 65816, use a 573, which is a new level of the 273, to make it so basically you could use the dual address bus function of the 65816. This is the 8255 chip, which allows for 3 8-bit ports, and also one of the control lines. I got to connect the second control line, A1. This is the A0 line. The reset circuit powers on. Does reset when it powers on. But also what I did here is I added a special circuit here. This is the power, ground, and this is the clock enable, and this is the clock input. So you can put a different clock input signal in. So when you have the clock disabled, we can put a second clock input signal in. Goes to here, jumps over. And as you can see, basically there's a little status display there that'll show basically the first 8 bits of memory. So when you do a free run, what you can do is you can actually take and connect basically right through here. You can connect right through here, basically a resistor package, so that you can do a free run, basically if you want to. Now, when I do revision 2, I'm going to see if I can do a different way to make things more organized. But right now, I just have to write the code and do a free run test, and then test the code and do the lights with the special register, and also with the built-in clock that runs at 4 megahertz. Well, let me know what you think. The best way to reach me is by YouTube, X, Facebook, and Pinterest. And this concludes Diana's Makerspace on the KZ80 Revision 3 for June 9th, 2025. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening.